As a successful trader, you should know all the patterns that will give you good trading opportunities. Trapezoid is one of them. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to identify the trapezoid pattern and capture the good trades. There are two types of trapezoid patterns. The first one is upward. Basically, the market is going up. The second is downward, and the market is going down. There are a few features for the trapezoid. First, the top should be a consolidation. It is either M shape or it should be a head and shoulders, or it could be just any three pushes at the top. 2. For the upward trapezoid, when the market goes down and then you connect these two lows, there's a trend line at the bottom, and then the market bounces back to upward, and then it goes back again for the third time to touch this same trend line. Then go long immediately after you see a very good signal bar as the bull bar. You should scalp for the profit. There are a few options. First, you take this low as the stop and then take your profit. Or you can take this low as the stop to take your profit. Or you can use this high to take your profit. For the downward trapezoid, it is a little bit different. You need to wait for the first trapezoid to form and then trade the second trapezoid. This is because only after the first trapezoid formed, we can see the downward trend line. We go short at the top right corner of the second trapezoid. We wait for the either 2 pushes or 3 pushes, and then there should be a very good sell signal bar formed. So you can trade that signal bar. Then we take the profit at the bottom of the trend line here. Now I'm going to show you 3 examples from ES, crude oil futures, and also Euro futures. Let's first take a look at the crude oil futures example. We can draw the trapezoids like this. Basically, there are 2 trapezoids. You can see that after the first trapezoid forms, so there's a pullback, and then it touches the trend line for the third time, and then it goes up. For the second trapezoid, it's the same thing. It goes down, hit the trend line again, goes up, and then goes back again another time to touch the trend line. So there are 2 good signal bars, so there are 2 good trading opportunities. And at the very top, you can see the trapezoid, the 2 pushes, 1 and the 2. The same thing here, 1 and the 2. So they're consolidating at the top. And then to take the profit, like I said before, you can take the profit by using this stop, or even here, the previous high. For the second trapezoid, it's a little bit conservative. You just use this or this. You don't use this because it is too high. This is an example from ES. You can see that this is a very good trapezoid shape. And then it touches the trend line for the third time here. So this bar will be served as the signal bar, and then you can trade up. This time you use either this stop or this stop to take the profit. Again, at the very top here, you can see the consolidation. There are 1 push, second push, and third push, and leading to the downtrend. This is not the second trapezoid because this leg didn't reach far enough to the bottom trend line. So don't trade this. This is the chart for 6E. First, there's a trapezoid because there's a consolidation at the top, and then it goes down. So we can draw a trend line here. And then the second trapezoid here, there's a first push and second push. So there's a consolidation. And then we are waiting for a very good sell signal bar. This one, this bear bar, is a very good signal bar. So we can trade down. And then the profit target is at a trend line here. If you enjoyed my video, please do not forget to subscribe, comment, and like. You can also go to my channel to see more videos. Thank you.